Scorpio, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Scorpio, what's up? Ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong August 2024? Come to the edge. Uy, parang kayo ay magte-take ng risk ngayong August, no? This can be take ng risk sa relationship, yung papasok ka sa isang risky situation sa relationship. Kumbaga susugal ka. Oo. And then, pwede rin tong sa bagong business or career, paglipat. So, you have some decisions to make ngayong August na kung saan kailangan mong mag-take ng risk. You also have deep knowing. Okay. So, I think, bago ka naman mag-take ng risk, you will make sure na alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Oo. Hindi yung parang bahala na si Batman. Oo. Kumbaga, ano to? Well-calculated risk. Yes. And some of you, maaring you are experiencing spiritual awakening, marami kang mga natutuklasan tungkol sa sarili mo, sa paniniwala mo, about a lot of things. Okay? So this is wisdom sneaking up on you. And kumbaga, marami kang realizations about life. Kaya siguro magte-take ka ng risk na realize mo, no? Sabi nga nila, YOLO, you only live once. That's why there are times that you really need to take some risk because you'll never know, no? Baka nandun pala yung swerte sa'yo. Let's see. Truth to be told. This is katotohanang mabubunyag. O baka merong, alam nyo, minsan kasi yung iba parang nagiging dramatic lang yung perception sa katotohanang mabubunyag. Kasi, di ba, sa mga teleserye, ganyan dati. Ano katotohanang mabubunyag? Parang talagang sobrang lala or lalim nung mabubunyag na yan. Na tipong, hindi ka pala na anak ng parents mo. Yung mga ganon, di ba? So, ano lang yon. Itong truth to be told is about the truth tungkol sa'yo, no? Meron kang i-let go na bagay na pinanghahawakan mo na na-realize mo hindi pala yun yung gusto mo, hindi pala yun yung totoong ikaw. So this is being authentic, pagpapakatotoo rin to sa iyong sarili. And for some of you, pwede rin merong magtatanggal ng kanyang maskara, no? So, sabihin niyan, meron kang makikilala ng lubusan na isang tao na iba pala yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya nung una. Tapos ngayong August, lalabas ang kanyang tunay na kulay. Parang ganon. Let's see. Or it can be a situation, no? Na akala mo dati, yung trabaho na to is maganda. Kumbaga, magiging masaya ka, pero after nung na-try mo, hindi pala. So, yun, realization. So, let's see your overall energy. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Scorpio ngayong August? Page of Pentacles, wow. So, this is learning. Kasi ang Page of Pentacles is an energy of a student na maraming gustong malaman, matuklasan. So, some of you, you are learning a new skill. You might be starting to invest, no? Paunti-unti. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, magre-risk kayo sa pag-invest. Oo. Kasi ang investment, sugal talaga yan eh. Like, let's say, you're going to invest sa stock market. Diba? But of course, you will make sure that you know what you're doing. Alam mo yung ginagawa mo kasi ni-research mo. Inalam mo talaga. Your challenge is the Page of Cups. Maaring maging challenging sa inyo yung pagiging creative ngayong August, no? Lalo na kung mas inclined kayo ngayon sa practicalities. 'Di ba? For example, gusto mo ngayon na ngayong August na mag-generate ng mas maraming income. And dahil doon, no, na-realize mo na meron kang interest, oo. Halimbawa, magaling ka mag-painting, kumanta, or anything creative na gusto mong gawin. Pero at that time, hindi siya practical, na hindi siya mag-generate ng income agad-agad. So, maaring challenge yan sa'yo kung paano mo didiskartehan yan, ano yung ipa-prioritize mo. Okay? Your opportunity, the hangman. Marami kang opportunity to reassess your situation, to think about your decision making, no? Kumbaga, bago ka mag-decide, you know exactly what you're doing. You also have the opportunity to parang part ng ito, deep knowing, to get to know yourself on a deeper level. Kasi sa totoo lang, kahit ako, kahit ikaw, marami tayo, we still need to know more about ourselves. Hindi natin makikilala ng lubusan yung sarili natin hanggat hindi natin na-explore pa yung ating mga potentials. So, I think for you, you have the opportunity to explore your potentials ngayong August. So, sa iyong, your blessing, wow, Queen of Pentacles. Ganda. As a blessing, this is about your money, your finances. This is stability in your finances, in your career. Kayang-kaya mong provide for your family, for your loved ones. So, maaring mas maraming opportunities for you to create more money. At makapagpundar din. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo magpupundar. You have the 7 of Wands. Yeah, I think, very careful ka rin sa mga papasukin mong investment, negosyo. You have the 7 of Swords. Yes, be careful rin sa mga offers. Okay, sa mga offers sa'yo na medyo too good to be true. Okay? So, iwasan mo yan, lalo na sa mga sa kaperahan, business. Kasi mukhang merong sneaky energy rito, merong hindi magandang intentions towards you. You have the 2 of Swords. Yes, decision making. You have a major decision making ngayong August na kailangan mo talagang pag-isipang maigi. You have the Justice card. So, this is bringing balance into your life and also knowing what is important to you. And I think, no, kung ikaw ay wala masyadong naging oras at panahon sa mga mahal mo sa buhay nung nakaraan, ngayong August, you will find more time to be with your family, your loved ones. Kumbaga, mas meron kang quality time. Money, career, finances, you have the Knight of Cups and the Death card. Okay. So, some of you, pwedeng meron kayong tatanggapin na offer, like a business offer, opportunities for money, that will change your situation in your finances. Pwedeng offer ng trabaho or business. Queen of Swords sa love life and the 2 of Swords. Oh, some of you, meron kayong ika-cut off na person sa buhay nyo. You feel like this person is no longer serving your highest good. Pwede itong kaibigan, kamag-anak, romantic partner. And it's a major decision. So, yung iba sa inyo rito, mukhang ito yung pagdedesisyonan nyo eh. Oo. Lalo na't nalaman nyo ang kanyang totoong ugali, yung pagkatao niya. And, yung iba sa inyo, mabilis kayong makamove on. Kumbaga, okay, tapos na, then that's it. Go to the next na. Parang yung kanta ni Ariana. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. So, yan yung mga i-overcome nyo ngayong August. But I see some achievements, recognition, success para sa inyo. Lalo na kung kayo ay willing to take the risk to try new things. And then, may shadow work. There are no shadows without light. Kaya siguro ano, nabanggit ko kanina na meron kayong spiritual awakening because that is part of your shadow work. Kumbaga nare-realize niyo na kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat yung i-improve sa sarili ninyo, ano yung kailangan niyo nang i-let go, and what you need to focus on. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.